Hi friends, x cube minus x square equal to 100. Then what is my value of x? That's what we will try to find out. At first, x cube minus x square, I can take x square common. And in another bracket, I'll be left over with x because there is x cube. And in the second bracket, there's nothing left over, so it will be 1. Now, 100, I will try to split up in 25, multiply by 4. So I can compare my x square with 25 and x minus 1 with 4. So my x square equal to 25 and my x minus 1 equal to 4. If x square equal to 25, x will be square root of 25. So my x value will be plus and minus 5. So I've got two answers, x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 5. Now here, x equal to 4 plus 1. So my x value will be equal to 5. So we got an answer 5 here. And we got an answer 5 and minus 5 here. But now we will check which is correct. To check, at first I will just check x equal to 5 value. So for that, I got to put down that in the equation x cube minus x square equal to 100. If it satisfies the equation, then it is a correct solution. So I'll plug the value for x equal to 5. So it is going to be 5 cube minus 5 square equal to 100, which is 125 minus 25 equal to 100. So this is 100 equal to 100, which is matching. So x equal to 5 is a correct solution. Now I'll check for x equal to minus 5. So I'll put down the value again in the equation x cube minus x square equal to 100. So minus 5 cube minus 5 square equal to 100. If we do minus 5 whole cube, that will be negative 125. And then if I try to work out minus 5 whole square, this is nothing but positive 25. That is equal to 100. If I do work out minus 125 minus 25, it's coming minus 150 equal to 100, which is not correct. So x equal to minus 5 is not our solution. So our solution is only x equal to 5. Thank you.